Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Behind me is a 2019 Malibu 22 MXZ that we are going to take a look at today. We're going to start off in the exterior and then move on into the interior. So looking at the exterior right here, you're going to see you have a black hull, black side hull with this teal-like metal flake here on the side. Sharp looking exterior. You have a nice big wakeboard tower up on top with the bimini top. You have 2 tower speakers and then 2 board racks as well. Your gas fill is right here. You do have pop-out cleats as well. Those go all the way around the boat. You have 4 of them total. At the back of the boat, you'll see you have the surf gate system right here. You have a nice big swim platform with C-deck on it. Nice grab handle right here with a tow point. You also do have an integrated camera right here as well. Looking down underneath, you do have the power wedge with a nice surf pipe right here to bubble out all the exhaust down through the wave. This does come on a Malibu Boatmate trailer as well. So now, let's take a peek at the interior of this 22 MXZ. Welcome to the interior of the 2019 Malibu 22 MXZ. First thing you're going to notice right off the bat is this nice walk-through with C-deck on it. Makes it easy to board the boat and also exit as well. Now, you're going to have these 2 big hatches with ballast bags in each side so you can fill up your ballast, create a nice big surf wave. You can also use these 2 compartments as storage if you want to. I recommend that you do not put things on top of the ballast bags when they're full. When they're empty, you can use this space for whatever you would like. They close up like so, nice and easy. Now when you walk into the interior here, you're gonna have storage underneath both seats. They are on hinges as well, which is nice. That way you don't have to pick up the seat and move it. You have cup holders on each side with some grab handles. You have a garbage can access right here too. You have 4 speakers in the cockpit area, 2 speakers up in the bow, and also 2 tower speakers. So you have a heck of a sound system just to listen to your music. You have this nice wraparound seating. You move up towards this passenger side here. This seat flips up and you have storage underneath here, which is great. Everybody wants storage in a boat. This boat provides it. You have a recessed glove box, which is great for the driver as far as visibility goes. You can see through the windshield nicely. You have more cup holders up on top. Move to the captain's chair here in the helm area. You're going to have this nice big captain's chair with bolstering through the thighs and through the midsection here. It is a power seat, so it will go up and down with this little button right here. Your throttle's off to your right. You have a nice leather wrapped steering wheel here. Your Malibu screens. Over here, your analog with your surf right, surf left switches here for your surf gate that you can use. This will adjust to hold your iPhone as well. Nicely laid out for the driver. You do have a bimini top up here on the tower as well. Your tow point up there too. So it's a very nice tower system here that they have. As you move up into the bow here, you're gonna notice that this bow is huge. It's got lots of room in it. It's very deep. You have armrests, cup holders, 2 more speakers up here, which is great. Giving the people that are up here, more ability to listen to the sound and have a great day on the water. So, you guys, this is the 2019 Malibu 22 MXZ. It's here at the MarineMax Rogers location in Minnesota. If you guys have any questions, if you want to come in and view this boat, please stop in or give us a call. We'd love to help you out. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.